Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. If you are an XRP investor and have invested in XRP and are a hodler of XRP and are looking at the prices right now, I am pretty sure you are very happy. The price of XRP has been constantly increasing in the past week or so, and it seems that the price of XRP is on a major rebound. Not only that, it seems that the probability of a settlement with the SEC regarding this Ripple lawsuit, well, the outcome is going to be in favor of Ripple according to some of the top lawyers out there. And there's a very high chance that Ripple is going to settle with the SEC before this saga continues for even longer, which would be even further good news to a lot of XRP investors out there. So we'll be discussing all of these in today's video. So without wasting much time, let's just dive in. Let's start off with the price of XRP. XRP as of today is trading around $0.51 to $0.52, up about 5% compared to yesterday and more than 30% increase from last week. So again, if you did buy XRP last week, you're already in a green zone. Now, if you're talking about the future here, the good news here is that the 20-day exponential moving average for XRP has increased to around $0.39, and the relative strength index is also in the green zone, indicating that XRP is currently in the buy category. Now, if you're looking at pretty much all these technical indicators and moving averages, the moving averages indicate a buy and the technical indicators are saying it is a very strong buy. Now, if we see that the price of XRP is above the $0.5 in the near future, we can see that the price of XRP will head towards the $0.65, which is the first major resistance, the upper head resistance level. And if the price of XRP is even able to sustain that, well, the price of $0.75 does not seem unrealistic in the near future. But if you're just talking about all of these technical indicators, XRP does seem to be a good investment right now. Having said all of this, do remember the golden mantra of crypto investing, and that is only invest what you can afford to lose. Yes, these technical indicators and moving averages are talking about buying XRP, but again, also do your own research and make sure that you're updated with the latest information regarding XRP to know in what direction it might be heading in the future. And talking about getting the latest updates, make sure you're subscribed to my channel for that. Now let's get back to this Ripple lawsuit and this talk of settlement. In fact, in one of my previous videos, I did talk about how one of the top crypto lawyers in the crypto world is saying that Ripple is likely going to settle with SEC. Now we have Brian Brooks, who was the former comptroller of the currency and also a former chief legal officer at Coinbase. And even he is now talking about how Ripple is going to settle with the SEC. He puts it, I'll just make a quick prediction, and that is that there is a settlement to be done here somewhere. The settlement has to do with the distribution of the tokens so that the existing token holders can continue to trade them and find value in the way that they do. What he's basically saying here is that Ripple is likely going to settle with the SEC, and the trade of XRP is going to be resumed. You might already know XRP has either been delisted or is halted in a lot of crypto exchanges, and this has put a huge amount of selling pressure on XRP. Also, the liquidity has dried up for XRP. This is why you're seeing that the price of XRP is much lower compared to even 2-3 months back when the price of XRP went as high as $0.9. Now, if there was no Ripple lawsuit here, we could have easily expected, and in fact in December I made a price prediction video in which I said the price of XRP is likely going to touch that $1 mark. But unfortunately we saw this Ripple lawsuit, and because of that the price of XRP, the growth for the price of XRP has really been hampered. But it seems that not everything is really dark. We are going to see a positive future for XRP. So what are the likely outcomes here? Well, first of all, we can bet for sure that Ripple wants this settlement as quickly as possible because they don't really want to be left out in this alt season in which a lot of cryptocurrencies are doing absolutely amazing. So regarding the first settlement, regarding the first option, and in my opinion, the most likely option here would be that Ripple is going to pay a massive fine. And once this fine is being paid, and I'm pretty sure Ripple can afford to pay this fine because they have sold more than $1 billion worth of XRP, what would happen after that is the trading is going to resume on pretty much all the crypto exchanges worldwide, especially the ones that are based in the United States. And this would, I'm pretty confident about that in the first week of this happening, the price of XRP would actually hit as high as $1 within the week, because right now pretty much the entire crypto world, especially the XRP community, is waiting for a good news regarding this. And if the only option, if the only thing that they're doing is paying a fine, I think it would be pretty big news. But again, there are other possibilities out there in which Ripple might be forced to stop selling from its escrow account. Now, you might probably already know that Ripple has more than 50 billion XRP in its escrow account, and every month they release 1 billion XRP from that. Now, what SEC can force Ripple to do here is kind of stop that from happening, which in my opinion would be absolutely a huge deal, and I think Ripple would fight until the end regarding that, because that is where Ripple gets the majority of their money from. Now the question would be, what happens to those 50 billion XRP that are in the escrow? Well, right now it is extremely hard to decide whether it will go to the people who currently own XRP, or whether it would be put into a wallet that nobody can access. It's very hard to tell right now. But again, this is also one of the likely outcomes of such a settlement with the SEC. So the important thing to note here is that the settlement is very likely to happen, and it will happen very soon. And the most important date that is upcoming is February 22nd, which is the pre-trial conference between Ripple and the SEC. And in that day, we are going to know a lot of details on what is going to happen to this lawsuit. But again, a final verdict or a final settlement happening on February 22nd, I think in my personal opinion, is very unlikely to happen. So if you are betting that we are going to see a final verdict on February 22nd and the price of XRP is going to somehow magically increase that day, I don't think that is going to happen. But one thing is for sure, we are going to know more details about what will happen to XRP and Ripple in the future. Well guys, that was the video for today. Do let me know what you think about regarding this settlement with the SEC. What are the likely outcomes and what will happen to the price of XRP in the future? Do drop a comment below, because I do love reading all your comments, even though I might not be able to reply to each one of you, but I do read all the comments. And for those of you who are new to my channel, consider subscribing and giving this video a like, as it helps out a lot. And as always, I will see you next time.